In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice clone in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your text into a polished voiceover, fine-tuned with the right model, voice, and controls for a natural sound. Start by opening your browser and heading to the OpenArt Suite homepage. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose Audio. This takes you into the workspace where all the voice features live, including voice cloning and text-to-speech. Next, pick an audio model. You'll see options designed for different languages and use cases. A multilingual model is a great default because it handles varied accents and pronunciations well. Selecting the model sets the foundation for how your audio will interpret text and deliver tone. Now type your prompt, the exact words you want spoken. Keep sentences clear and punctuated. Commas and periods really guide pacing. If you need special emphasis, you can add short stage directions in brackets like whisper or excited, and use proper names spelled phonetically if pronunciation matters. Short paragraphs help the system breathe and sound more human. Choose your voice. If you've already created a clone voice, you'll find it in your voice list. Select it here. Always use voices responsibly and with permission. If you're exploring, you can pick a stock voice to test your script before committing to a final read. Open the voice control panel to shape delivery. This is where your clone comes to life. Start with speed. A slightly slower pace improves clarity for tutorials or product explainers, while a modest increase can add energy to short promos. Avoid extremes to keep speech natural. Adjust stability to control consistency. Higher stability keeps tone steady across sentences, great for formal narrations. Lowering it adds micro variations, useful for expressive reads, just don't push it so far that it sounds erratic. Use similarity boost to help the output stay close to your selected voice's unique timbre. Raise it if you want a stronger match to your clone. Dial it back if you prefer a more neutral delivery that blends with the model's defaults. Finally, tweak style exaggeration. This intensifies the character of the voice, more warmth, more punch, more personality. It's powerful, so make small changes and listen back. When everything looks good, click Generate. Give it a moment to process, then preview your audio. If a word lands oddly or a sentence runs too fast, fine-tune the prompt or controls and generate again until it feels right. That's it. Open OpenArt, select audio, choose your model, craft a clean prompt, pick your voice, shape it with controls, and generate a polished voiceover with your clone.